Assalamualaikum friends. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add a text on already created thumbnail as we previously created in our previous tutorial. Here we go. That's how we add a text. Just click on this button. This is for move. Just click on text and write here. Here you can choose color. By clicking on this and holding the mouse button, you can move the text from here to there. From here, you can increase or decrease the text size, and from here you can change the color of the text. From here, you can change whether it would be in bold or in regular, and from here you can change the font style. Hope so you like this video. And for adding more text, just click on this button and again on this button. Here you can add more text which you want. There you go, like this. Anything you want. And same steps. This is for font sharp, crisp, strong, smooth. And this is for the font center, centralize, left style and right align style. Thank you. Hope so you enjoyed this video. Allah Hafiz.